Hello students. So let's proceed with the next problem. So here is the next problem. It is the value of find the value of it is x raised to it is n plus it is 2n into it is x raised to it is 3n minus 8n. This whole is divided by it is x raised to it is 5n minus 6n. Yeah, so you have to find out the value of this. So I will rewrite the problem once again. It is x raised to it is n plus it is 2n into it is x raised to 3n minus 8n divided by it is x raised to 5m minus 6n. Now again same, right? Now again as I told, to solve the index our base should be same. So what is my base here? X. Everywhere my base is same here. What? X at numerator place also and at denominator place also, right? So first what you do to proceed further, first you write your common base x, right? And what you have to do, if there is a multiplication, these two index you have to add, and if there is a division, that index you have to minus, right? Means here you have to apply the first two rules, if when there is a multiplication and when there is a division, right? So write the common base x. Now these two index we have to add, means it is m plus it is 2n. In m plus 2n we have to add it is 3m minus it is 8n. These two index you add, and from these two index, this index you have to minus because it is at the denominator place. We are dividing here, so this index you have to minus. So it is 5m minus it is 6n, like this. And now you open the bracket, right? Open these brackets. So it is x raised to, if you open this bracket, this remains as it is. Outside the bracket, which sign we find here? Plus. If you multiply by plus to these values, the value remains same. It is plus into plus m is plus n, right? The plus into plus is plus. It is plus 2n, right? Again same. Plus into plus 3m, it comes to plus 3m. Then plus into minus is minus. It is minus 8n. Same here also. Minus into plus is minus 5m, minus into minus it is plus 6n. Means in short what, if there is a plus sign outside the bracket, all signs inside the bracket remain same, and if there is a minus sign outside the bracket, all signs will change, right? That principal rule you have to remember. And now as it is, you solve this. So first you solve m. So here there is m, here there is m, and here also there is a m, right? So this is plus m. Plus m, this is plus 3m, plus plus plus. So 1m plus 3m, it comes to 4m, 4m, that is plus 4m, and this is minus 5m. So plus 4m and minus 5m remains what? It is minus m, right? Then m we have solved, okay? Now we have to solve what it is n. Here there is a 2n. This 2n, this is 8n, and this is 6n also we can solve. So this is plus 2n and this is minus 8n. So plus minus minus. So plus 2n minus 8n remains what? It is minus 6n. Minus 6n, and this is plus 6n. This n gets cancelled, right? Means remains what? Only it is minus n. So while giving the rule, last 7th rule I have given, right? Any value, if the index is negative, if it is a raised to minus m, if it is a raised to minus m, if you want to convert this negative index into positive, right? So you have to write in its reciprocal form. And how to express in reciprocal form? To express in reciprocal form, always one we have to divide by the given value. The given value is a raised to minus m, is written as a raised to plus m. This is how we write. Even if you write x raised to minus n, that is not wrong, it is correct. They will give the marks, right? Or how to convert this negative index into positive. So how we write? It is written as it is 1 divided by it is x raised to it is what? Plus m, right? So you can write x raised to minus m, or you can write 1 divided by x raised to plus m also. Both are correct, right? So this is how you have to calculate the value. Right? I hope you have understood. Or let's have one more sum on this indices. So question is, find the value of it is x raised to m divided by this x raised to n, this whole raised to, it is m plus n, this is multiplied by, it is x raised to n divided by x raised to t, that whole raised to, it is n plus it is t is multiplied by, it is x raised to t divided by, it is x raised to, it is n, that whole raised to, it is t plus what it is n. Clear? So you have to find out the value of this. So once again I will rewrite the problem. It is x raised to n, that is divided by x raised to it is n, that whole raised to it is m plus it is n into, it is x raised to it is n divided by x raised to it is t, that whole raised to it is n plus it is t into bracket, it is x raised to it is t divided by it is x raised to n, that whole raised to it is t plus n. Clear? So to find out the value of this, so now here again I can apply the what? Here I can apply the third rule, or I had given the, I think it is fourth rule. If it is a divided by b, that whole raised to it is m, right? So this index we have to multiply. If it is a divided by this b, that whole raised to is m. So what we do? We multiply. We write a raised to m, that divided by this b raised to it is what? M. That rule, right? So first, as it is, you multiply, right? So it is multiply by m to both the values. Means it is written as it is x raised to m into n, you will get it is m square, right? Plus m into n, you will get it is m n. This is divided by, same here also, multiply by n to m and n. So it is x raised to, it is n into m, it is m n, plus n into n, you will get it is n square. Clear? Multiplication is there, right? Into, same here also, multiply by n plus t by it is n. So it is x raised to n into n, you will get it is n square, right? Plus n into t, it is, you will get n t divided by, multiply by t to again both the values. So it is t into n. So it is x raised to, it is t into n, you will get is n t, right? Plus t into t, you will get it is what? It is t square. Again into, same here also, it is x raised to t into t, you will get it is t square, plus t into m, you will get it is m t divided by, multiply by now this m to this. So it is x raised to m into t, you will get it is m t, plus it is m into m, you will get it is m square, like this. So after multiplying, means after opening these brackets, now you see again here everywhere I find my base, how much it is x, everywhere, means at numerator place as well as at denominator place. So everywhere my base is same here, x. So first you write that base x as it is, and now these three values we have to multiply here, means these three index we have to add, and from that these three index we have to minus, because these are the index at denominator place. There is a division, so that if they are at denominator place, those index we have to minus. So this plus this plus this, from that you have to minus this, this and this. So it is write the common base x. So it is m square plus it is mn, right? In this we have to add this. It is n square plus it is n t plus it is t square plus it is m t, right? From this we have to minus these three index. It is m n plus it is n square minus it is nt plus it is t square, right, minus it is mt plus it is n square. Clear? Or it is x raised to, now first you open all the brackets. So this is m square plus it is m n remains as it is, because here outside the bracket this sign is there plus. If there is plus sign outside the bracket, all signs inside the bracket remains same, right? So it is m raised to 2 plus it is mn, this remains as it is, even this also, right? Plus into plus n square remains, it is n square, plus into plus is plus, it is n t plus into plus t square, you will get plus t square, plus into plus is plus mt. Now here signs will change because outside the bracket which sign is there? It is minus. So it is minus into plus is minus, it is m n, minus into plus is minus n square, minus into plus is minus, it is nt, minus into plus is minus t square, right? Minus into plus is minus, it is mt, and minus into plus is minus n square, right? So finally it is how much? It is n square. Now you saw this. So here there is m square, right? So this m square and this m square and m square we can solve. So solve this. This is plus m square, right? This is plus m square and this is minus m square. So plus minus minus. So plus m square and minus m square get cancelled, right? The next one is what? This is plus mn, right? So this is mn and this mn we can solve very easily. So this is plus mn and this is minus mn. So plus minus minus. So plus mn minus mn get cancelled. Next is what? N square. So this n square and this n square we can solve or not. So this is plus n square, this is minus n square, plus minus minus. So plus n square minus n square also get cancelled. This is plus nt. So this plus nt and this is minus nt. So plus nt minus nt also get cancelled. Next one is t square. So here there is t square plus t square and this is minus t square. Plus t square minus t square also get cancelled. This is plus mt and this is minus mt, this also get cancelled. Means everything get cancelled, right? Means ultimately remains what? Means m square minus m square 0, mn minus mn minus 0, n square minus n square is 0, like that. So ultimately the value comes to how much? It is x raised to 0, right? But any value which is raised to 0 is not 0. It always remains what? It is 1. So x raised to 0, how much you have to write? It is 1. So the value of these 3, if you multiply together, the value comes to how much? It is 1, like this. So I hope you are understanding, right? So the same sums you have to practice a lot in the home. How much you will practice, that much perfectness you will get. Then only you can get through in this subject. Otherwise it is very difficult, right? So you have to spend a lot of time for this subject, right? So how much you will practice, that much perfectness you will get, right? So let's proceed with the next sum on this. So my next problem is find the value of it is x raised to a plus b that whole raised to 2 is multiplied by x raised to b plus c that whole raised to this 2 is multiplied by x raised to c plus it is a that whole raised to this 2. This whole is divided by it is x raised to a into x raised to b into x raised to c that whole raised to how much it is 4. Yeah. So again as it is like this you have to work out the problems, right? So let's start with the solution. So again as it is I will write down the sum first. It is x raised to this a plus b that whole raised to this 2 into this x raised to b plus this c that whole raised to 2 is multiplied with this x raised to c plus it is a that whole raised to this 2 divided by it is x raised to a into x raised to b into it is x raised to c. This whole raised to how much it is 4. Yeah. Now first what you saw these small brackets, right? Means here I can apply what? Here I can apply the third rule. If it is a raised to n that whole raised to n, we have to multiply the index, right? So here I can multiply these index, right? So first you multiply this index, right? One by one. So let's first multiply this. So it is x raised to, write the base x. So it is a plus b you multiply by 2, right? So it is 2 into a you will get it is 2a plus it is 2 into b you will get it is 2b is multiplied by, now multiply by b plus c by 2. So it is x raised to, it is 2 into b you will get it is 2b plus it is 2 into c you will get it is 2c into next base is x multiplies c plus a by it is 2. So it is x raised to 2 into c is 2c plus 2 into a it is 2a. This whole is divided by multiply this also, right? Multiply by 4 to these 3 powers, 4 into a, 4 into b and 4 into c. So it is x raised to 4 into a is 4a, right, into x raised to 4 into b is 4b into it is 4 into c. It is x raised to 4 into c is 4c, like this. So like this first you open these brackets. After opening the bracket, now you simplify. Now again I get the base what it is x here, right? Everywhere I find the same base here, so I can easily simplify the index. So first what you do, you write the common base how much it is x. First you write the common base it is x. Now these 3 values we have to multiply, means these 3 index we have to add, and from that these 3 index we have to minus, right? The index at a denominator place always you have to minus, right? So add these 3 index first. So it is x raised to what? It is 2a plus it is 2b, right? Plus it is 2b plus it is 2c plus it is 2c plus it is 2a, right? This plus this plus this. From this we have to minus these 3 index, minus it is 4a minus it is 4b and minus it is 4c. Yeah, like that. Or it is x raised to, first you open these brackets. Now here outside the bracket which sign we find it is plus. So all signs inside the bracket remain same. This is plus remains plus, this is also plus remains plus. So plus into plus it is plus 2a, then plus into plus is plus 2b, right? Plus into plus 2b is plus 2b, then plus into plus 2c is plus 2c, plus into plus 2 is plus 2c, plus into plus it is plus 2a, this is minus 4a, this is minus 4b and this is minus 4c, remains as it is, right? Or it is x raised to, now simplify this. Now this is plus 2a, this is plus 2a, so plus plus plus, right? So plus 2a plus 2 plus 2, sorry, here this is plus 2a, okay, and this is plus 2a, sorry, okay. Plus 2a, how much it is? Plus 4a plus 4a and this is minus 4a. So plus 4a and minus 4a get cancelled. So this plus 2a, this plus 2a and this is minus 4a get cancelled. Next one is what? 2b plus 2b plus 2b. How much it is? Plus 4b plus 4b and this is minus 4b also get cancelled. Plus minus minus. 4b minus 4b result is 0. So plus 2b plus 2b plus 4b minus 4b nil 0. This is plus, it is 2c and this is also plus 2c. So plus 2c plus 2c is plus 4c plus 4c and this is minus 4c also get cancelled. So plus 2c and minus 4c also get cancelled. So remains what it is? 0. X raised to 0, and any value which is raised to 0 is not 0, it is how much? It is 1. Like this, right? So I hope you have understood the sums on what it is indices, right? So today this much is enough, right? So again in the next video I'll come with the problems on what it is indices, right? And we'll finish it off this topic indices. Thank you.